So I want to practice, so let me remove this one. This one, the red here, yung nasa gilid. That is the, what do you call that? Script. Yan yung script mo if you don't know what to say. So let me remove that one. If I forgot, I will check it there. So yeah. By the way, sa demo pala is video class yun ah. Native Cam is a video class. There's no audio class. Yeah, so I just turned off right now. So I will practice now. You will be my student. You who are watching, you will be my student and I'll be the teacher. Okay. So, hello. Hi, welcome to Native Camp. My name is Teacher Amy. What's your name? Oh, hi, Mark. It's nice to see you today. So before we begin, can you see and hear me clearly? That's perfect. All right, so our lesson for today is Advancing Flavor Science, Smart Tongue. So let's go to the next page. Now let's have the words and phrases. Let's learn some words and phrases used in the article. So let's have the first word. Please repeat after me. Multiple. Great. Now let's have the sentence. Please repeat after me once. We made multiple copies of the report. Okay, great job. So let's go to the next one. Do you have any question? All right, so let's go to the comprehension. Please look at the listening focus and read the direction. Are you done? All right, so let's check the questions that you will have to answer later. So please look at the questions and as I read it twice. What did a research team develop? What did a research team develop? Okay, so now let's listen to the article. So please listen carefully. Okay, so well done. Now let's answer the question. Please look at or read the direction. Okay, well done. So I'll read the question and please say your answer out loud. Let's start with number 1. What did a research team develop? Okay. Yes, great. But can you say, so your sentence is correct, but you can also say this sentence. All right, now please go, and now please, let's go to the discussion. Please read the direction. Okay, so I'll read the question. Then you can answer freely by using the situation given. So question number 1. Do you think that an artificial tongue can mimic a human one? Why or why not? Okay. Yes, computers are advanced enough to accomplish this level of mimicry. AI can help the tongue learn how different foods taste. Great, you said, but you could also say, all right, so I think that's all. Thank you so much. So today we had Advancing Flavor Science Smart Tongue. Okay, medyo na-blanco ako. But yun, ganun yung flow niya. Parang sa discussion ata yung may free talk, free talk. So, wala sa even in the video, the one I showed you a while ago, here. Oh, wait. Yeah, dito sa video, ito, pag pinanood nyo to, ganun lang siya, wala siyang discussion. May real student dito. So, paano, pag pinanood nyo siya, ganun lang siya and hindi siya yung, do you know what's smart tongue? What's your favorite flavor? Ganun. So, susundan nyo talaga ito. But maybe here at the last part, dito kayo mag-free talk. So, as you can see, finalo ko lang yung dito. You should say this. Of course, you should not depend on the article, but yun nga yung nandito. So, of course, I will follow it first, guide. So, you can take your demo anytime you want, as long as you are ready. So, ayoko na patagalin. Maybe later I will have my demo. But I don't know how long. It says there that demo should at least maybe 25 minutes. So, I don't know. I don't know. If 25 minutes, of course, marami akong tatanong, what is your favorite? How, do you have any idea about flavor science? Something like that. But yeah, I will update you guys. Let's see after my demo. So yeah, good luck to me. And ito, demo lesson should be done in the following format. So demo lesson will last for 25 minutes with our admin staff as your students. So your student will be the admin. Use native Comes materials. Yeah. In the real lesson, the student will choose the lesson. Yeah, in the real lesson. Yeah. Okay. So goodbye. Thank you for watching.